right, and we're back already with a new video. So fast, Justin. Why? I don't know. Anyways, what is up, Bougiebo people? We are back with a new unboxing and review on the STUSSY Birkenstocks. Shameless plug. If you watched my previous video, y'all probably saw that I unboxed one because it came in with a STUSSY, with a STUSSY and Nike piece. Yeah, shameless plug. Go ahead, check that out. Back to the point though, we are here for the STUSSY Birkenstock. So obviously one is already unboxed. I still got the other colorway. Yes, I got both. Let's get into it. So here is the first one. I will actually unbox the other one first. This is it. All right, so here it is, the other box. I will not show the top just because it has my address, personal info. At least we got some unboxing in the video, right? So here we go. We didn't even need a knife for that. Okay, almost showed y'all the address. Unboxing. This is crap. Let's get into it. A lot of paper. Shout outs, yes. By the way, I did get this from the Webster. Wow, this is very extra. What? Awesome. I will open this. Is this a letter? I'm gonna assume it's like the receipt and return slip. Yeah, perfect. I'm just gonna put this back. Shout outs again to the Webster. Not gonna show this because it still has a lot of personal information. You got another one right here. The Webster, thank you for shopping with us. We are getting into it right now. Ooh, that box is messed up. Ooh, that is a messed up box. I can see it from here. I'm gonna just pull a box out. Let me put this on the side right here. A lot of gift tissue paper with their logo. You got the Webster sticker again. Lots of branding going on. Now this is what I was talking about. Ooh, look at that damage, boy. That is not nice. I don't know if that's from like the carrier. The box does look kind of nice. Okay, so here's the first box. Wow. On the side of the box, you got Birkenstock silhouettes of all of their models. I'm assuming it's all of their models. If not, I guess some of the most famous ones. Sorry, that is the Bay. On the front side. Was that upside down? Is the camera upside down? And you got this, and then you got this on this side. They used the Boston model for this collab, which is actually pretty known recently because Kanye was wearing them. You see Birkenstock again on the top. I don't know if I showed that. Nothing on the bottom. What is this? Your first step into the world of Birkenstock. I don't remember having this on my other shoebox, so this is different. And the box is a lot more bigger. Well, I got Arizona's, right? So taking this out of the box. Ooh, nothing else inside. I will take out the slippers, if that's what you want to call it. And you got information about the clog. That's the better term. Basically saying, you know, we are delighted you have chosen Birkenstock, blah, blah. Natural colors, different from others. Everything is unique because it's its own pair or something like that, you know what I mean? So, ooh, these are nice. These are nice. Something just to throw on when you about to go out. First off, here's the top, the bottoms. Wow. Smells good. On the lateral side, you got STUSSY. See, that's the thing that's gonna bother me though. If I wear it at this height with the flap like that, it's gonna block the word. But if you are into this kind of stuff, you would know it is the STUSSY and Birkenstock collab because of that suede corduroy. I'm not saying they don't have this style, because they do with no collaboration, just a straight Birkenstock, but that is dope. And the inside, you got a size 40, made in Germany. Not gonna lie, these Jones are very, very comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. Birkenstock, super comfortable. Rick Owens love them. If you know Rick Owens, you like them, you gonna like these, all right? He does have collabs too with that, so yeah, those are fire. You cannot afford them though. Kind of expensive, so that. All right, we're gonna move on to the next one. Here we are, my favorite one of the two, but it's weird because I asked so many people, aka my girlfriend and sisters, which is better. They like that one better, the brown one. I personally like that off-white bone colorway, and this one is from Essence. Shout outs to Essence. Let's focus a little bit. There you go, size 40 also. Do not know what it is equivalent to. It says it's a men's 7. Yeah, it's a men's 7. That's what they're saying. My opinion, these kind of stuff, it runs big. Like non-US sizes, the Italy, German, something like that, they just run big, like a full size big, in my opinion. But again, we all have different feet, so I can only speak for myself. US size 7, size 40, in my opinion, it is a men's 9 or 8. Cannot be a stuff, because I got a 41 and 42 in Birkenstock. So 41's okay, but I feel like 40 would be perfect. Just like my Balenci's, not trying to flex, but I do have them in a 41. Kind of wish I had them in a 40. So I'm gonna probably get that pick up next. So here's the Birkenstock. Here's the side. Again, I don't really have to show this one, right? Except for the tag, that is different. The top is nice. I just like how it's simple, bone color too. Here we go. Ooh, oh wow. Airbag, thank you Essence. Here it is. Oh, there it is. See, now this one got me hyped. You know what I mean? Like, oh, wow. Totally forgot the bottoms are white. Now that's something you don't want to walk on. You know what I mean? Nothing else on the wrap, on the box, or in the wrap. The wrapping paper just has the BIRKENSTOCK logo, which I didn't even notice was a foot. Is that a foot? Oh my gosh, it is a foot. What the heck? Real quick before we move on, look at that, it's a leg. I like how the inside of the box is the bottom of the sole. That is sick. Little details, man. I'm all about that. These are looking fresh. You know what I might just do? Just to be obnoxious, I'm gonna wear one color each side. I'm gonna do that. All right, so back to the point. Same things, man. That white, bone, off-white, cream, suede colorway. See, now I might just change the adjustment on the other one because this one's perfect. Look, it doesn't block the STUSSY. Yeah, the inside also BIRKENSTOCK 40, made in Germany. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm not even exaggerating right now, but this is probably, oh, this is too comfortable. This is my first time owning a pair of Bostons. Oh, what the hell, something's inside here. Oh, just kidding. It's just the arcs. The arcs on BIRKENSTOCKs are solid, man. Like they make your feet, they help your feet. That's all I'm gonna say. And this is not a paid advertisement. If y'all can see the vibes on this, do not mind the ashy legs, but oh my gosh, these go hard, yo. Well, there you have it, BIRKENSTOCK STUSSY collab. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please cop yourself a pair if you can. It is just too comfortable. They're too nice. Clogs are gonna be the new vibe. All right, shout outs to Crocs, shout outs to whatever else got this type of style, silhouette, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if it helped you, if you enjoyed it, if you liked it. Everybody else, stay safe, man. Hopefully we get through this pandemic soon, because it is boring out here. Okay, that's all I can say. Peace.